How to extract text from images using ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Both ChatGPT and DeepSeek use advanced OCR, optical character recognition, technology to read text from images. The process is very similar for both platforms. Prerequisites: 1. A clear image file, JPG, PNG, GIF. 2. The text should be legible and in a supported language, primarily English works best. 3. An account on the platform you choose to use. Some features may require a paid subscription for ChatGPT. Step-by-step guide for DeepSeek Chat. DeepSeek Chat currently offers robust OCR capabilities for free. Step 1. Go to the platform. Visit the DeepSeek Chat website or open its app. Step 2. Start a conversation. Log in or sign up if needed. Type a request like, "Please extract the text from the images I will upload." Step 3. Upload your image. Look for the upload or attachment icon, usually a paperclip or image icon. Click it and select the image from your device. Step 4. Send the message. After attaching the image, press Enter or click Send. DeepSeek will process the image and return the extracted text. Step 5. Review and refine, if needed. If the text isn't perfectly extracted due to poor image quality or handwriting, you can ask, "Can you try again with better accuracy?" Or upload a clearer version of the image. Step-by-step guide for ChatGPT. ChatGPT also supports image text extraction, but note, this feature is available only for paid users, ChatGPT Plus, Team, or Enterprise using GPT-4. Step 1. Access ChatGPT. Go to OpenAI's ChatGPT and ensure you are using GPT-4. Step 2. Enable image input. Click on the image or attach button to upload your image. Step 3. Provide instructions. Type a message like, "Extract all the text from this image exactly as it appears." Step 4. Upload and send. Select your image and send your message. Step 5. Receive and verify the text. ChatGPT will read the image and return the text. You can ask it to format or correct the text if needed. Tips for better text extraction. To improve accuracy: 1. Use high-contrast images. Ensure text stands out against the background. 2. Clear and legible fonts. Avoid overly stylized or handwritten text. 3. Good lighting and focus. Avoid blurry or shadowed images. 4. Crop unnecessary parts. Focus the image on the text you want to extract. 5. Specify formatting. If you want the text in a certain format, e.g., bullet points, paragraphs, mention it in your request. Which one should you use? Feature DeepSeek, ChatGPT cost, free paid, GPT-4 only. OCR accuracy, high ease of use. Simple and intuitive, requires subscription. Best for quick and free extraction. If you already have ChatGPT Plus final words, both DeepSeek and ChatGPT make it easy to extract text from images. If you're looking for a free and reliable option, DeepSeek is an excellent choice. If you already use ChatGPT Plus, you can efficiently use it for OCR tasks as well.